Hello, I'm here to tell you about enabling dictation on your Chromebook. That means speech to text. So if I want my Chromebook to type what I say. So to do this, I need to first enable dictation in my settings. And there's a couple ways to get to your settings. One way is if you're already in Chrome, you can go to the three dots or the snowman, we like to call it, up here in the corner, and you can go down to settings. The other way to do it is to go down here where the time is on your Chromebook and click the settings gear. Either way, you'll get you to the settings menu. Now you can search through all of the settings to find this, but it's a little easier just to type in the word accessibility. And I really only need the first few letters, and then it pops up here in my menu. And when I get to accessibility, I'm going to go to Manage Accessibility Features. Now, there's a lot of great features here you might want to look at when you have a chance, but we're going to scroll down to where it says Keyboard and Text Input. And this is what we want to toggle on. Enable dictation or speak to type. Send your voice to Google to allow dictation into any text field. So I'm going to toggle that on blue. Now, you might have noticed when I did that, a little microphone just popped up here at the bottom of my screen. So that's where I will find the dictation button. Now I can close my settings and go back to whatever I was working on. So once you have enabled dictation, now you can use it really in any app or doc that you would like. So here I am in a formative. You're going to be using formative for your upcoming math placement test. So this works great informative. So here's a question where I'm supposed to type an answer. Instead of typing, I can use dictation. So the first thing I want to do is click my cursor. So my blinking cursor is in the box where I want to type. Then I'm going to go down and click the microphone button. Now, once I click the button, everything I say is going to be typed into the box. So be careful that you only press the button when you're ready. This question is, what is your favorite season and why? Type the answer below. So instead of typing, I'm going to speak, and my Chromebook is going to type it for me. Let's try it. My favorite season is a tie between summer and winter, period. I really like summer because there's no school, exclamation point. I also really like winter because I love the snow, period. When you are done, make sure that you click off the microphone again so that it doesn't continue when you are speaking something else. Now, you'll notice there's a couple of issues with my dictation. It did not give me a capital letter on my first letter, so I'm going to fix that and type a capital M instead. But it did a pretty good job with all the other sentences. It did period when I said period. It did exclamation point when I said exclamation point. So you can put in punctuation as you speak, and then the computer will know when to start a new sentence. So there you go. That is dictation. So make sure you enable that in your settings first, and then you can use it anywhere you need.